Every broiler chicken begins with one carefully protected egg. Collection speed stable, no shell damage detected.
Fertility rate looks excellent today.
Sanitation protects the next generation before incubation begins. Tray alignment locked and ready. Temperature and humidity are now precisely controlled.
Humidity stable at 60%.
Gentle automated rotation supports healthy growth. Inside each shell, new life is beginning.
Hatch rate exceeding 94%.
Automation minimizes stress during early handling.
Movement and vitality levels look strong.
Preventive protection begins immediately after hatching. Count accuracy verified at full speed. Controlled transport protects chicks during transfer to broiler farms.
Transport batches secured and stable.
Within hours, chicks begin the next stage of rapid growth. The incubation phase is complete. Industrial broiler raising now begins. This is where rapid large-scale broiler growth is engineered.
Biosecurity clearance approved.
Barn environment stabilized and ready.
Every environmental factor is precisely controlled for rapid growth.
Feed distribution running perfectly.
Hydration systems operate continuously around the clock.
Temperature stable at optimal growth range.
Lighting schedules influence feeding behavior and growth speed.
Growth metrics ahead of target.
Large-scale nutrition begins with automated feed logistics.
Protein balance calibrated for rapid growth.
Automated feeding ensures uniform growth throughout the facility.
Water quality levels fully stabilized.
AI monitoring systems track bird health continuously.
Flock activity normal across all sectors.
Environmental precision supports maximum feed efficiency. Within weeks, chicks transform into full broilers ready for processing.
Transfer systems ready for final transport. Collection speed stable, stress levels minimized.
Temperature-controlled transport protects product quality.
Stacking pattern secured and balanced.
The next destination is the processing plant.
Logistics systems keep production moving continuously. Processing facility operating at full capacity. Strict sanitation protects the entire production chain.
Receiving line flow fully synchronized.
From farm to factory, the final transformation is about to begin. High-speed processing systems now take over.
Sanitation cycle stable and operational.
Every unit is digitally measured for consistency.
Inspection accuracy holding at 99%. Approved units continue down line.
Rapid chilling preserves freshness and safety. Cold vapor clears toward cutting systems. Portion calibration locked and stable. Continuous cleaning systems maintain production hygiene.
Sorting systems fully synchronized.
The final stage prepares products for global distribution.
Seal pressure. Stable across all lanes.
Every package receives complete digital traceability.
No seal defects detected.
Automated rejection systems protect final quality standards. Packing efficiency holding at full speed. Packaging lines prepare products for large-scale distribution.
Pallet stacking pattern complete.
Stabilized pallets are now ready for cold storage.
Inventory transfer complete.
Inventory synchronized with national distribution network.
Automation accelerates storage and retrieval at industrial scale.
Outbound schedules running on time.
Temperature-controlled transport preserves freshness worldwide.
Trailer temperature holding at target range.
Shipment routes confirmed for nationwide delivery. And this is how modern factories produce broiler chicken, from incubation to global delivery.
Precision, automation, and logistics power the modern poultry industry.